Okay, right. Okay, Assalamualaikum and welcome, Maryam, to our conference today. Just, because you are now a teacher dealing with, special child in a classroom, maybe just a brief introduction about yourself, yeah, what you are currently doing now.
Yes, I'm a primary school teacher and I've been teaching for 3 years now. I spent 2 years in Malaysia and I've just come back and now I'm working as a special needs teacher in a mainstream English school.
Right. Okay. So that's what I want to ask you about. What has been, your experience dealing with special child, and if there are any special challenges that you face, dealing with special child is tremendously. I would say you need a lot of energy and you need a lot of patience, right? So what has been your challenges so far?
I think the main challenge is differentiation, which is when you tailor the activities to suit their different learning needs.
Yep.
And because these children are put in a normal classroom with children who are learning much faster than them, I find that that's very difficult to sort of make sure that they're learning at their level. Which is why schools now make sure that there is an extra teacher in the classroom that can give the child one-to-one support.
Right. So you're saying that there will be teacher assistant, yeah?
Yes,
in the classroom. Right. Okay. So if, let's say, for a special for a teacher who are teaching special child, do they need to go a special kind of training? What sorts of training that you have to go to? Yeah.
There are two main ones. One is something called PECS, and it stands for Picture Exchange Communication.
Yeah.
And this is for children who can't communicate and who can't use their speech. And it's basically they have picture cards of the different things that they want to do. For example, going to the toilet, going to eat. So they take the picture and they show it to the teacher so the teacher knows what they want. And another one is something called Makaton, which is when they use speech and sign to communicate. So, for example, if you wanted to ask the child, what did you eat for dinner? Like, there's a sign for each word. So it would be, what did you eat for dinner? So then they learn the signs, but also the words that go along with the signs.
Okay, interesting. And this is the kind of thing that we are looking at, bringing resources from England back to Malaysia, because I think there are a lot and plenty of things that we need to do if we want to focus on, special educational needs. What do you see the future of special education? Obviously, in England, it has been an established, there are so many, and government is so much involved. Because you have experience in Malaysia, what do you think? What do you see that we can do in Malaysia?
From my experience teaching Malaysia, there hasn't been much emphasis on catering for those children who have special needs.
Yes.
So I think definitely training the teachers on sorts of Makaton and PECS so that the children with special needs can achieve.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for your time, Maryam. I'm sure I may need to contact you again and maybe talk to you. Yeah, I would love to go to schools and see how this is done. Yeah, because that is the thing that we are currently developing. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, Maryam. Okay.
Welcome.
Assalamualaikum.